So today we're going to go over parking mode with the Vantrue N2 Pro. So I don't have it hardwired to a fuse that's always on, so the next best thing would be to, once I park, just plug in the cable that it came with that goes to your computer, plug that into a power bank. I'll share this, this particular power bank where I got it on Amazon, but there's millions out there. And then you're just going to be holding the P button right here until it enters parking mode. So after we take our trip, I'm going to go over that. So we're just going to hit the road for a nice little journey to buy some salmon to grill. It's a nice sunny Saturday here. And then we'll check it out later. If the parking mode caught any footage, we'll check that footage out. Alright. So I have it plugged in like so. Okay, so I just wanted to show, I was unable to get this on the camera I was using, but this P button right here, the larger silver button on the outside there, when you click that, that's your parking mode. You just have to hold it down. If you click it once, it's going to take a snapshot. If you hold it down, it'll enter parking mode. You just have to make sure you configure it in your settings so parking mode is able to turn on. So it's that button right there. When I hold that down, I'll see a P come up on my LCD screen, and that'll let you know that you're recording.
Hey, truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Find one that seemed my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
So now we've just arrived to get our... Sorry, I'm just covering my my dad up here. Didn't want to be in the video, so we're just covering him up. Salmon to barbecue. So now I'm going to show you guys how to use parking mode with this power bank here. So I'm going to stop recording and then hold down the P. So now we've just... Alright, so now we're in parking mode. We are wired directly to the device, and you'll hear me shut the engine off. So now the cable from the car is, it's off, so we're just running on the power from the power bank, and we'll see how this parking mode works while we're out. Alright, so that was so it looks like it recorded after we got out. We got out of the car at 12:33. Looks like it stayed recording for 7 minutes, I guess, until we got out. And the next video here. Alright, so 6 minutes later, we have someone, so it senses this person packing their stuff. And leaving. It looks like all these clips are 10 seconds. About. Yeah, this is just general parking lot movement. So in parking mode, the camera stays off, and then when it senses movement, it will turn on. We're at 12:48 here. Okay. Cart person pushing carts. It's a busy day. Sam's Club parking lot. I'm getting clips about every minute here, so people are just pulling in and stuff. So I'm just gonna go through these. I'm double clicking. I'm passing the one because there's two files, one for your exterior, and then one for the interior dash. This. Oh, she actually rang us up. 12:57. All right, so this is good. So right here in the left here, this person parked next to me. They did not scratch my car or anything, but say if you come back with a big scratch and you remember who parked next to you, this is a good indicator. Have some evidence. You could actually probably see it if the car were to hit me. This clip is a little bit longer, so the parking mode doesn't necessarily have to be for 10 seconds. It just depends on how long people are near your car, which is good to know. Skip all this. He's still packing. And leaving it 107 here. If I look at my inside, I thought I can get that angle. So a lot of clips. So plugged into my external battery. Didn't drain much. Probably only drained, I think, like 10%. Picked up some rear movement. A lot of clips here. So this is good if, in the event that anything happened, you could see every single time. If it's a really busy day and there's someone pulls up next to you, and then there's another person pulls up next to you, you want to be able to be sure, who dinged your car. So this is good. The way I have my camera angled, I think if I had it angled a little bit more upward, I just have it angled down so you could see everyone. But if I had it up a little bit, probably get a better view of the rear. However, it's pretty good. You could see out the back windows a little bit. And an hour later, these two suspicious characters. It's my dad and I. We're coming to the car. So it's funny, it kind of captures it a little bit late. I guess that shows the distance. We walked right, on the screen right now from right to left, and it didn't pick us up until we were right next to my car. So I'm curious to see, how much distance it picks up, or how it picks it up, but it picks us up right here. And you see the suspicious character right here in the upper right. This is good. If someone were hypothetically, you had something valuable in your car and they're just kind of looking into your windows, at least the parking mode, you can count on that to pick it up. So this is from the file that I just showed you of the external view. And at the same time, when I walk to the back, because it's within that same 10-second clip, it gets me right here. So if someone approaches your car from the front, it should pick this up. However, I am curious to know if the sensors pick up footage in the rear. It doesn't seem like that. Check. So we are back. We're gonna check, once I get home, we'll check if parking cam picked up anything. Right. Yeah. Open the trunk real quick. Alright, so that's pretty much it. We got our groceries, our salmon is in this bag. Now I'll just roll the tape of us driving back.
Bad luck to talk on these rides. Mine on the road, your dilated eyes. Watch the clouds float, white Ferrari. Had a good time. 16, how was I supposed to know anything? I let you out at Central. I didn't care to state the plain. Kept my mouth closed. We're both so familiar. White Ferrari. Stick by me, close by me. You will find. You will find. As it's the slow ride. Left when I forget to speak. So I text the speech, lesser speeds, Texas speed, yes. Basic takes its toll on me eventually, yes. On me eventually, yes. I care for you still, and I will forever. That was my part of the deal. Honest, we got so familiar. Spending each day of the year. White Ferrari. Good times.